The given question says that an element M with electronic configuration 282 combines it separately with radicals this, and this. Write the formula of three compounds so formed. To which group and period of the modern periodic table does elements M belong? Will M form a covalent or ionic compound? Give reason to justify your answer. So first we have to tell what is the, we can know the valency of the element M since its electronic configuration has been given. In the outermost shell it has only 2 electrons, therefore the valency is 2. And now we come to the part where we have to tell the compound formula formed. So here we go. It was given it has 2 valency and it has 1. So again the crisscross method. We get the formula M NO NO3 whole twice. So this is our formula. Now for the second compound, which is SO4 2. So here is M SO4. Both of them have the valency 2. And therefore the valence 2 will get cancelled and the compound formed will be MsO4. Now the third part, PO4. Valency of M is given as 2, PO4 has 3. Therefore again with the crisscross method we get M3 PO4 whole twice. Now this is the solution for these three. This is for the first one, this is for the second one, and this is for the third one. Now the third part was whether it will form ionic compound by or covalent compound. So we can clearly see it has only 2 electrons in its outermost shell. So therefore it can become stable by only losing 2 electrons, and therefore it will form an ionic compound. And there was also a part where we had to tell what is the group and the period. So since it has 3 orbitals, it is in period 3, and since the valency is 2, it is in group 2.